Finally, we've reached the last in our top 10 tips for building rock-solid Stripe integrations. The last tip is simple but important. Keep up to date. I'll share some essential strategies for staying informed and engaged with the ever-evolving world of Stripe. With new updates and features rolling out frequently, it's important to tap into the resources available to enhance your experience as a developer. Let's explore some of the best practices to keep you in the loop and help you make the most of what Stripe has to offer. First up, one of the best ways to keep your knowledge fresh is to subscribe to the Stripe Developers YouTube channel. Here you'll find a wealth of content that includes coding tutorials, Q&A sessions, interviews with experts, and much more. This channel provides valuable insights that can assist you in real-world applications of Stripe. You're watching it right now. What a great time to hit that subscribe button. Also, don't overlook documentation and blog updates. Stripe maintains comprehensive documentation that outlines all features and services. Regularly reviewing this can help you stay aware of changes and new functionality. Next, consider connecting with the community. Stripe organizes meetups in various cities around the globe. These gatherings bring together users, developers, and partners to share experiences and insights. Participating in these meetups is a fantastic opportunity to network and learn directly from other developers. These are all posted publicly at meetup.com. In addition, you can join online forums and groups, such as forums on GitHub or specialized Slack channels. Engaging in discussions, asking questions, and sharing your projects can provide you with new ideas and solutions to common challenges. Another effective strategy is to join exclusive programs. By becoming a part of Stripe Insiders, you get privileged access to information about upcoming features, betas, and changes coming from the product teams. This insider knowledge is invaluable in keeping your projects ahead of the curve. Moreover, consider participating in hackathons or coding challenges that Stripe might host. These events not only help you hone your skills, but also give you the chance to test out new features before they become officially available. Lastly, I encourage you to share your integrations. All developer relations programs are free to join. We genuinely want to hear about the projects that you're working on. Sharing your experiences can contribute to a shared learning environment and inspire others in the community. You can also contribute to a blog post or come speak at a meetup. In summary, keep yourself updated with Stripe through YouTube, regular meetups, insider programs, and community involvement. Staying connected with industry peers and using available resources will not only enhance your skills, but also overall improve your experience as a developer. Thank you for your time in watching this Top 10. I hope it helps you in your development efforts. Happy coding!